CrimsonMark, all one word, CrimsonMark, sent me this pack of, is it 10? Yeah, 10 drywall anchors. So I think I've seen stuff like this before, but it's basically screws and these anchor points, I guess is what they're called, and you drill them into your wall. And I think the main pull with this, or at least from what I could see, is that other than being able to lift 75 pounds, which is pretty impressive, these white ones I think can blend in pretty well to like a drywall color of the same color. So yeah, again, 75 pounds is pretty impressive. We'll take a look. This, for those who have seen other of my reviews, this is not my home, so I am not at liberty to, make my parents mad by drilling holes into their walls. But taking a quick look, I'll show one of the screws, I guess. There you go, for those who haven't seen a screw before. But here is one of the anchor points. Seems like it's a little bit complex in its engineering, but got a little point there. I think you do put it in like that, and then should be able to drill it in. You don't do it by hand for sure, and I would guess it's pretty hard to do with a like a manual screwdriver, but there are videos online on how to use them, and from what it seems like, construction people or just DIY people, like do-it-yourself projects, these can come in handy. Woodworking as well. A few different instances you could see yourself using these with. So and of course they have different packs. They don't just offer it in 10, but if you need more, they offer that. I think, just checking, I'm assuming that this is the least amount, like the smallest amount that they offer, but you can check for yourself just to make sure, and also find out if there's more or less. The one I'm seeing on their listing is 20, and so I don't know if that's like 10 and 10 make 20, and then the next one is 50, so maybe it's like 25 and 25. So probably something to keep in mind. I hope that's helpful. So pick them up if you need them for your DIY project.